no?
Pala, hi!
Hello vlog!
Hello vlog!
Welcome to your guys!
Ayan o.
Nagtabuan na rin sa likod eh.
For today, now we are going to see the statue mother of Armenia. The big part of our tour today we will walk.
Yeah. Okay.
See in the front, you see the big statue. Now we are going there. The statue. Yeah.
Naakit tayo doon, ano? Di pa taas na.
Oo, naman sila eh. Dalawa na lang. Maganda yung history niya.
Sabi ni Gam, Papa, ikaw ba yung mag-tuloy sa amin? O doon sa doon nag-guide?
Yun yung bundok.
Ay, bundok.
Ano siya, half Ukrainian. Half
Kita yan sa taas.
Tulog ko eh, no?
Taas yan na.
Now we can see that. It's a very sad.
This one, which mountain is this? This Mount Ararat. Yes,
Mount Ararat.
Nice.
Because there is one mountain visible from our hotel. We thought it's Aragat.
Ararat, yes.
This is Turkey, my dear.
Yes.
Turkey property, no?
Yes.
You cannot enter the Armenia. You have to
It's
pay.
the last 100 years this mountain in Turkey. Yeah. Yes, also.
Mga namatay nung ano, namatay nung cemetery. Okay na. Kaya ano yung namin Armenia? Ay, yung one nila.
This is embassy area. Here, embassy of UAE.
Oh, there is?
Yes, it's not embassy of Japan. They are next, more far each other. Kuwait. See, if you want to the right, it's Georgia, Ukraine, Lithuania. We don't have embassy of Philippines. Yeah, that's not good. We need to check.
Don't worry, tomorrow.
Maybe first open and you will be ambassador.
That's why
You're
we are here,
asking
no?
for discount first.
Last week nga lang daw may nag-snow dito. Sabi mo, sinundo kami.
Oh, may Ferris wheel.
Dito mo, may tangke.
Ano, Ferris wheel? Oh, may pagkira. Kaya nga dito dati, tangke di ano? Tangke di gira.
Ang pinagera.
Before you go down
Ah.
to drink water, dapat
Down, ganun. We're here to see mother. We're here to see mother. Hindi, dali mo. Hello, hello. Welcome. Welcome. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Hindi, siikap pa. Oo nga eh.
Oh my God! I mean, no, I don't know what to name it. Let's go. We're just going to name it.
Let's go, Gab. Gab, let's go. Here, here, here.
Oh yeah.
Uy! Uy! Ganda! Ayan o. Grabe namang view dito. Grabe yan o.
Now we are in Victory Park. Victory is World War II. World War II. And that's why he is.
Ay, sige, vlog mo ako, bablog din kita. Mag-vlogan tayo. Mag-vlog-vlogan tayo.
This fire is those soldiers who died.
Ah, okay.
I can tell you.
It's a gas from gas pipe from Russia.
I mean, we are buying gas from there.
Mhm. Grabe. Yung view dito, Mount Ararat daw. Hindi yung small one. Ito. And this is the great one. Big one. Grabe. Zoom natin. Lamig.
Hey, we're at Mother Armenia. I said Mother Armenia.
Mother of Armenia.
Yeah, over here.
Yeah.
Just love. Tulog ka na rin.
Lapit pala rito. Ganda. Ganda. Picture lang kita. 1, 2, 3.
Ano, picture ako kayo na lang. Picture ako kayo na lang.
Ayos.
Arayan.
Yeah, Arab.
Here, Arayan.
Arab.
Arayan. Tingnan mo, nakaporma pati. Tingnan mo.
Tingnan mo naman yung
Nakaporma pa eh.
Yeah. Yun o. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Grabe oh. Model na model ah.
Model na model eh.
Sabi ko nga, tuwa ka sa kanyang diesel ang bibili. Kasi bagay sa kanila rin. Parang ano na lang sa Philippines. Ang dami. Anong nag-go?
Ah.
Ang ginawa niyang hotel to maganda na. Mountain yung view. Ay, ang maganda.
Restaurant nga dati ayan oh.
Restaurant.
Kasi nga yun nga yung pwesto doon ayun, dating restaurant siya. Haragil. Oo nga no. Founded in 1960 oh.
Dito na daw tayo. Okay.
Hmm.
So, malaki memory niya, Brad. Yan
Mm.
ha? Ka talaga. Hello. Beer.
Beer.
It's too cold.
So cold, my friend.
Botox is free.
Kasi yung trabaho ko, naglalakad ako everyday. Bakasyon ako, naglalakad pa rin. Hindi na ako yun na yung
System. Art.
oh yeah.
Oh, sinira mo na agad?
What's up? Gab.
Sinira mo na agad, see?
Broken, no?
Kagabi si Chloe.
Sinira ko na.
207.
207.
Oh, Jurassic Park.
Oh my God, God!
Ooh. Here, come.
Gabi din sa may ano.
Jurassic Park. Gab.
Yan. Yeah, try mo. Magkano ba? Ngayon no. Tatlong suntok, 500. Isang suntok, 200. Oh. Okay. Yun. Mahina. 586. 586. Malakas na rin. 586 eh. Gusto ko yung... Ang laking tao. Ganun ang ano.